Network Entertainment.
When it comes to riding motorcycles, like for me, I've had my share of like discrimination that like I can't handle my bike. Like you're a danger to yourself and to other people because you're riding a big bike and stuff like that. It's just frustrating that just because I'm a girl, I get these kinds of comments, and just because I'm a girl, I'm not allowed, or maybe that I can't ride a bike. So that's the hard part on being a woman, because they think that we can't do things, but we can. And that's why I want to be an advocate on, like, women can do anything they want, period.
Alright, welcome to the show, guys. It is another Tunay na Rider episode na pagpapatuloy po ng ating Women's Month celebration. At this time, ito yung tinatawag nating Trailblazers. Women Riders Paving the Way. Di ba?
Yun, no?
Okay. Wala ko tayo palakpakan dyan. Webes na naman. Siyempre, simulan natin to sa tanungan. Bak, may tanong ka para sa mga...
Agad-agad na?
Introduce
yourselves.
Hi, my name's Karen Kennedy, and I am the brand ambassador of BMW Motorrad, and I also am the Asia and Philippines representative of TWT Moto.
Let's go!
You know, according to Miguel Bichara, tama, the strongest woman on two wheels. Strongest.
In the planet,
right?
Yes.
I don't know about that. What?
Okay, and then?
Next. It's me. Hi, guys. I'm Ariana Evangelista. I'm actually a pro cyclist, but 2 years ago, I've gotten into motorcycle riding, and I'm happy that I'm living my life on two wheels. So, it's been great.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll. Yay!
Parang lahat nagmo-modulate ng boses.
Two wheels all the way.
Ano ba?
Oy,
Ang ganda ng mga boses. Sorry po!
Evangelista?
kanina sa kwentuhan, hindi ganyan yung boses nyo, ha?
Kanina,
Hi, I'm Arian.
Kanina squammy, ngayon medyo
Tagalog tayo,
kailangan
Tagalog.
demure.
Si
Alright.
Jack.
British.
Speaking of two wheels, okay.
Hi, my name is Jack Bunshaw, Philippines fastest lady on two
Yun,
Let's go.
Yun yung pagpapakilala. Ganon.
Legit.
Masyado
Nice.
mabilis.
Fastest nga, di ba? Kaya mabilis.
Okay, next.
Parang wala naman ako masasabi sa fastest.
Okay, hello, my name is Catrice Kirolf and I am a Triumph and Wheeltech Ambassador.
Yun.
Let's go.
Parang ikaw yung pinakamaraming follower naman dito.
Hindi.
Ganon.
Yun na lang.
Ikaw.
Hi, I'm Joanne Liu. I'm from CF Moto MV Agusta, Pujo, Philippines.
Big boss
Joe.
yan.
And then, of course, if there's CF Moto, there's Triumph Motorcycles Philippines. May
Sinabunutan.
sakitan pong nagaganap. I'm Owen Santos. I'm the General Manager of Triumph Motorcycles Philippines, friends with CF Moto and BMW. And waiting for Miss Joy.
Parang may laman yun, ah. Bakit dati hindi friends?
No, magkalaban kami sa flag football eh.
Mukhang old rivalry
Long
pala to.
history.
Sige.
Ano yun? Hindi, yung gumagano. Snapper. There you go. Snapper kasi to eh. So, hindi mo pwedeng banggain. Pag binangga mo, ikaw tatalsik.
Okay.
diba?
Dapat yung intro natin.
Yes,
Sabihin
okay.
ko, not just in flag football, but in life.
Okay.
Maling-mali.
Maris.
Hi everyone, I am Maurice Chua and I am the General Manager of Vespa Philippines.
Yan.
It's the best pa.
Honestly, wala kaming karapatan to lead the conversation because these women are the ones who lead and direct and control the motorcycle community and industry in the
Ito
Philippines.
yung mga big boss.
Ito yung mga big boss.
Oo.
But, baka may mga tanong ka.
Well, number one, umpisahan natin kay Miss Maris. How do you get into riding or in the industry?
Galing ah.
Practice.
I'm proud of you, Bob.
Kanina pa ako sa senior eh. Practice ako ng practice.
Nag-iba rin yung boses mo dun ah.
Talagyan tayo.
Modulate na rin
Modulate ka rin naman eh.
pressure.
How did you get into riding?
Okay, well, I just learned on my own back during the pandemic, when I was handling marketing for Vespa. I was like, parang weird naman na I'm in marketing, but I don't know how to ride. So, I just practice on my own sa village lang, and then sumama sa boss ko, sa friends niya. And then, there. Yun lang, cutie rider lang. I don't go far. I just go for coffee, dinner, brunch. Outside ng BGC naman.
Nako.
Best pang
If
best.
you,
Hindi na lumabas ng village. Grabe.
if you want, okay, I will just say that I've ridden with a lot of the ladies here, and they will leave me behind. So,
I won't.
Fake
I
doon
won't
sa,
leave.
doon sa CF Moto sa
sa akin.
Alam mo, sila yung pinakamatapang, pinaka-hardcore. And also, like, walang takot. So, I don't know if it's a good thing, but I highly suggest you join the rides at some point.
Parang,
Yan, yan.
lalong, parang hindi ka lalong sasama sa amin.
Also ka, I think.
I'll ride with him na lang.
Ako, chill. Scooter rider ako eh. Okay,
I have a
game.
scooter too.
All right.
I have a Vespa.
Owen.
How did I get myself into riding? Wala lang. Gusto ko lang. So, nag-start ako with
Next.
bicycle.
Grabe, kumpong lang ako. Gusto ko mag-ride. Paano
Wala
ba?
lang. Tapos ako na yung boss sa Triumph.
Ang dali. Sobrang simple.
No, I
Buy a
started
bike.
with bicycles. Like, I do duathlons. Bike run. And then, eventually, nung nag-pandemic, kasi ang hirap kumuha ng Vespa. Nung nag-pandemic,
Ireklamo mo dyan sa boss.
hindi, mahirap
Joke
talaga,
lang.
di ba, before? So,
Oo,
nung nag-pandemic,
tama.
sabi ko, oh my God, parang chance ko na itong makakuha ng Vespa. Kasi wala masyadong bumibili ng scooter that time. So, I asked for one. Pero I waited for 6 months. But nonetheless, it's just really, stress reliever. I just want to do something active lifestyle. Yun. For me.
Okay.
Trip lang. Ganon.
Yes.
Trip lang.
Well, let's go up to Joanne. Ganun, para may ano na tayo. Joanne.
Joanne, ikaw. Hindi, may mic siya.
Thank you. Kanina ka
Dalawa.
Ako, kailan ba? Siguro mga 8 or 9 years old. Around that time. Nung nasa amin pa before yung ibang brand that we used to carry. So, before, siguro mga, ano pa lang yun, it was a PV. Parang mga ganun. Parang 50cc na dirt bike. So yun, then ako nag-start.
Are you second generation rider? Third generation rider?
Technically second, because my lolo, hindi naman siya talaga nag-ride before, but he used to import some bikes.
Pero hindi lang second generation na rider. Second generation na hardcore rider si
Sila
Joanne.
dad kasi dati, grabe.
Yung mga, like you've got like the Titans and then you've got like Zeus and Hera. Yun si Zeus Hera level na si Joanne eh.
Grabe yung reference.
You lost me there.
Grabe yung reference.
Nawala kami dun.
Pero yun, doon nag-start. And then I had to stop for so many years. And then bumalik lang ako ulit parang before pandemic when we had Motostrada already. So yun. Wala na. Di ko na matigilan.
Ang isa sa hallmark nito ni Joanne, guys, bukod sa hardcore rider, kilabot din sa mga...
Tama na, wag mo nang dagdagan.
Okay.
Mario.
May chismis.
Alam
Alam mo,
continue.
If you guys want to know more about Joanne, and kung gaano ka hardcore and a little controversial, may mga episodes kami na medyo...
Search nyo lang sa Spotify.
Basta may hawak siyang bote ng wine. Dalawa yung naubos sa show, yun.
Ano yan?
It was the first yata, no? First guest.
Joanne, lahat ng guest dito, o lahat
Joanne
kami dito
story.
yata may flashback memory sa iyo, PTSD.
When they heard you were coming, na-stress sila lahat.
Truly, totoo.
Pero mamaya sa live stream na to, sa live stream na natin.
May dala siya. May dala siya.
May dala.
May dala yan.
Ikaw, so first question pa lang to.
next.
Kasi may bibiktimahin ka ngayon, di ba?
Okay, next. I started writing because of my dad. So, siya talaga nag-influence
Second
sa
gen
akin.
rin. Na hardcore rin.
Yes. So, bata pa lang ako, siya yung nagbaback-ride sa akin. So, I enjoyed the feeling, ganyan. Tapos, fast forward to college, para wala pa akong ginagawa doon. Tambay pa lang ako doon. So, parang naisipan ko na mag-enroll sa motorcycle training school. And nung time na yun, hindi pa ako pinapayagan ng dad ko. Kasi nung 2019, wala pa masyadong lady riders. So parang he was scared for me. So, nung nasa ibang bansa siya, nag-enroll ako mag-isa ko. Tapos nagsend ako ng Viber photo. Nasabi ko, natapos ko na yun, marunong na ako magmotor, ganyan. So nagulat siya na parang andun yung willingness ko to learn talaga. Na parang seryoso ako sa gusto ko talaga matutong magmotor. So, thanks to my dad, pinasa niya sa akin yung motorcycle jeans.
And a massive collection of motorcycles. Parang doon
Dami
sa
yan.
boss na
Anniversary?
boss na anniversary, may display sila ng mga lahat ng mga magandang BMW.
Classics.
Puro sa tatay
One
ni
of a
Katrina.
kind.
Kalahati,
Oh, hindi.
kalahati yan
Grabe.
sa dad ni Katrina.
Yes.
Museum ang
Is that
peg.
nice? I'm talking about BMW too.
Oo.
With Eva.
Gotta love Owen talaga. Gotta love her.
Because I was there.
Jack.
Yes, yes, yes. I saw.
Legacy lang din. So,
Second gen rin.
Second gen. So,
Oo.
so kung hindi alam
OG.
ng iba, yung sila daddy, yung batch nila dad, sila yung mga bumubutas sa mga trail sites.
Oo.
So yung
Pag walang daan, gagawa.
Oo, yung tipong yung Marilake you see now, inakit nila yon na lupa pa.
Thank you.
So, diba? I want to say thank you to
po.
them.
Thank you.
Mga bunsyo.
Sila daddy. So meron mga parents ng pictures na kung alam niyo yung mga tore-tore sa Marilake,
Oo.
forest pa.
Aha.
That's how old my dad is. Tapos, yun. And then I started racing at around 13. So, hanggang ngayon, dito pa rin. And ngayon, iba-ibang ano na lang, discipline. So, hindi lang racing sa road, nag-off-road na rin tayo and adventure.
Lahat kayong magkakapatid yata may racing background.
No choice eh. Magigising kami, mga tambucho lang umaandar.
Nandun na.
Andun na siya eh. Lalabas ka, may mga langis-langis. So,
Aha. Amoy
wala.
usok.
Wala kang choice.
Amoy usok, amoy gulong,
Yun
gano'n.
na. No choice ka na. Kundi, mahalin mo na lang yun.
Yun. Oo.
lang.
Here you are right now, the fastest lady
Ano ba?
rider.
I'm China.
Congrats! Wow!
Sarap tisyuhin.
Ikaw naman, fastest
Okay.
on motorized. Ikaw, yung ano naman, fastest.
The fastest without an
Oo.
engine.
Human-powered.
Human powered.
Ay, nako. Well, I only started riding motorcycles talaga nung 2021. So, my first bike was a manual. Nag-straight manual ako. Then, I only asked for help from my friends na marunong mag-operate ng manual. And then, I practiced outside our house. Una parang kinakabahan ako kasi coming from a bicycle, ang bigat ng motor. And then, when I went around the village, I was like, oh, ganito pala yung feeling ng manual, blah, 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 blah. And then, yung bike na yon pinahiram lang sa akin. So, nung 2022, I bought a scooter. Fazio nga. That was my first purchase ever. And then, pagdating naman sa big bike, I've only gotten into that nung November 2023. Tas wala na, tuloy-tuloy na. I mean, I've met a lot of people, have gone to so many places. And then, yun nga, I was so surprised. I joined a race, which is yung Club 2 Endurance. And then, wala, super loving the two-wheel life talaga. And for those who think na parang it's taking time from my cycling training, it's not eh. Kasi there's also some physical need in motorcycle riding, especially when you go in the track. And ngayon, I've gotten into trail riding as well. So that's all the more physical pa na yung pag-dirt bike. And yeah, really looking...
Nakita ko yung photos niyo.
Ang lala, dude.
Nakabaon na sa lahat ng motor, nakabaon na sa lahat.
So, that was like, etong Monday lang, we
Yeah.
rode, that was my second trail ride. We rode in Zambales. Then, I have no experience riding in Lahar. And I was like, paano ba to?
Sabi ko, mga-
Luckily, I didn't crash. Thank you po.
Mga kasama natin tonight, mga tunay na rider
Grabe,
talaga.
wild.
Walang takot,
No doubt.
laban, competitive. Speaking of, the strongest woman.
Let's go.
Yun. What a segue.
Okay, so I've always liked motorbikes. There's pictures of me when I was a little toddler sitting on different motorbikes because I've just always been sort of fascinated by them. And then, I don't know, quite a few years ago, I was with my ex and then he was like, I want to buy a motorbike. I was like, you buy a motorbike?
Akala hindi
Yeah,
natin
I might as
pag-uusapan
well-
yun.
I might as well
Oy,
tell the
kaibigan ko si
story.
Tyrone, ha?
Bakit may
I-edit
no-drop?
natin yan. Huwag na na.
Part siya ng motorcycle journey mo.
Yeah, Tyrone is part of. Wait, I'll get to that.
Okay.
Anyway, so this guy goes, I want a motorbike, and I was like, if you get one, I get one. So I signed up at Honda. That's where I first started, and it was really good. Anyway, so I started there, and then I got a big bike right away. I actually bought the bike before I could even ride, and then I just had it delivered to the house. And then I learned And then I started to like ride it around. So that's kind of how I got into it. But here's the thing. So where does Tyrone come in?
Huwag kalimutan yung present.
Since Harris took the other one. I failed my first day at Honda Safety Driving School because I couldn't understand the clutch and the throttle. I was like, what the? Anyway, Tyrone had the same motorbike. It was like a Honda TMX. I went over to his house and I was like, hey, can I borrow that? Can you teach me? So he was running alongside me, holding the back of the seat. We're just friends at this point. We're just friends. And he was helping me because I would like fall over.
Ito yung meet cute.
Yeah. No, we've been friends for a while. Anyway, and then I couldn't get the combination of the throttle and the clutch. He said to me, you got to hold it like you're going to do a bench press. So that's where I it clicked and I was like, oh, okay. And then it made sense. And then I've never looked back. It's the best thing ever.
Okay, so now we get a little bit more serious. All right. So, like I said earlier, all of you, it's Women's Month, and this is actually like the ultimate women leaders episode. Diba? All of you are successful in the motorcycle industry, and we would argue that it is predominantly a male-dominated industry, right? Natingin ako kay Joanne. Kasi maraming kwento yan eh. Yung mga challenges. Di ba? Parang lightning rod ng ass. Okay. I'll let Joanne tell that. Or you can go back to previous episodes with Joanne. No, but there are a lot of challenges, right? There's a lot of bias. Even though, arguably, the Philippines, we've had women presidents, we've had women leaders, pero marami pa rin challenges being a woman and being a successful woman in this industry. And there are also, I guess, maybe benefits. So baka you guys would want to share. Let's start with Karen.
Okay, for me, I don't look at it as like there's a lot of issues or problems being a woman who rides. To me, it's like there have been some really good situations that I've been in because a lot of the time the guys will be helpful. You know, like I feel like a bit of a princess sometimes and I'm like, hey, I can move my bike. And they're like, no, we'll help you. So I really appreciate that kind of thing where I know that I'm taken care of when I'm going to be out on a ride. I haven't really had any bad experiences myself. I think everything's been pretty positive. I can say though that now there's so many women riding. When I first started, I'd go to get gas and then the gas boy would be like, sir, ano to, 95? And I'm like, you flip up the helmet and they're like, ay, ma'am. And now they know that that's a girl sitting on the motorbike. So, I mean, I think we're in a great place.
Hi there, my name is Earl, and I'm the host of Philippine Campfire Stories. After this episode that you're listening to, baka naman gusto mong mag-check ng mga horror stories sa mga folklore and urban legends na nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Mga true horror stories shared in a manner na hindi ka naman matatakot pero ma-entertain ka. Go ahead and check out Philippine Campfire Stories and we have over 200 episodes just waiting for you. See you there!
Okay, I think my situation's kind of different because on my account, people are so used to me riding a bicycle that transitioning.
No, but even successful, being a successful cyclist, which is also, again, has the same kind of stigma or perception na panglalaki yan.
Yeah,
diba?
but for me, when it comes to sports, it's fine because there's really
you beat them.
No, because there's like a men's category in sports and then there's really a women's category in sports. But when it comes to riding motorcycles, like for me, I've had my share of like discrimination that like I can't handle my bike, like you're a danger to yourself and to other people because you're riding a big bike and stuff like that. So as much as possible, I try to be super nice in trying to correct them on social media, but it's just frustrating that just because I'm a girl, I get these kinds of comments. And just because I'm a girl, I'm not allowed, or maybe that I can't ride a bike. So that's the hard part on being a woman because they think that we can't do things, but we can. And that's why I want to be an advocate on like women can do anything they want, period. Although yes, I understand what Karen said that there's like a princess treatment, but like on my end, as much as possible, I try to not accept that kind of a treatment because there are times that I ride alone And I can't rely on anyone when it comes to handling my bike. That's why I also did my homework and strengthening myself in the gym so that I could handle my bike more, stuff like that. So although I appreciate the guys' help, but as much as possible for me, I want to be able to do it myself because, like I said, I sometimes ride alone. So that's kind of a challenge still up to this day.
Can I just add? It's good. You should be able to handle it yourself. So that's
Yeah.
awesome. Yeah.
Thank you.
Benefit lang yung
It's a benefit,
may
oo.
tutulong.
Yeah, they're always willing to help. Yeah.
Jack.
For me naman, kasi as an athlete, syempre nung when I started racing with superbikes, wala naman talagang female category eh. So since 2013, lagi akong mix sa men's. Never ako nahiwalay kasi mag-isa lang akong babae. So what's the point? Nahiwalay na lang ako. So yung una was yung prejudice na baka ma-blue flag lang si Jack. Baka maging sagabal lang si Jack. So yun yung isa sa mga, siguro kaya rin ako nag-work harder to be a better racer kasi I just want them to accept me na hindi ako danger, hindi ako nandito lang, hindi ako napalamuti lang na porque babae ako, design lang ako sa racetrack.
Danger ka sa ego nila.
Oh no! So, nag-double time ako, lalo na when I was starting racing, mga 2014 to 16. Doon ko nakukuha yung, lalo na yung nakakompare na ako sa brother ko, na hindi naman magiging kasing tulin ni Maiko yan. Sakit nun. Personally, I get it. My brother was a legend. No debate there. Pero hindi para ikumpara siya sa akin. Kaya nung time na yun, parang, okay, I love you, kuya kita, pero I want to beat your time. I want to beat who you were. Ganon.
Competitive.
Kasi nagiging shadow siya sa akin eh. Lalo na puro lalaki yung kalaban ko. So, ayoko lang matrap dun sa shadow ng brother ko. Tsaka yung, forever, minsan may prejudice talaga na pagbabae ka, ganun. Pero okay lang din naman ngayon. Open na yung mga kalaban ko.
Tinalo mo?
They're healthy naman na.
Tinalo mo naman na sila.
Well, hindi. No.
Kinainan niya ng buo.
No.
Okay, Catrice.
Ako, what I've experienced before, yun nga nasabi ko kanina, when I started riding, I received discrimination from my dad pa. Ang sabi niya sa akin kasi, sa tatay ko pa galing talaga. So sabi niya sa akin na parang, hindi ko kaya yon kasi nga, konti pala yung mga lady riders, so wala mong prove na women can do it too. Parang, sa life ko talaga, I really want to prove that women can do whatever men can do also.
Yes, sir.
So, parang I started riding because I wanted them to know that I have the potential also, that I can succeed in a male-dominated industry or community, ganyan. So, every time na kunyari may big bikes ako na ginagamit or dinadala, tapos matataas pa, parang they would ask, bakit nagagawa mo, ganyan. And may konting discrimination, but at the end of the day, parang I think of it as inspiring them. Kasi parang meron akong mga women supporters na sinasabi nila nang start ako magmotor because of you, gusto ko mag-big bike because of you, pero iba yung pakiramdam na kapag kunyari, yung galing sa lalaki ng galing na parang, na-inspire ako magmotor dahil sa ginagawa mo. Kaya ko magmotor ng mas mataas na CC because of what you do. So, may konting discrimination, pero mas empowering yung feeling na ang dami
There's a
mong-
lot more discrimination, come to think of it, when you're small.
Yes, yun, yung sa height talaga.
Dude, tamaan niyo mula pang 5'1". Maybe that's why I didn't get much.
Yes.
I'm 5'1", man.
Na, pero actually, medyo swerte ako. Kasi wala naman ako kailangan i-prove eh. That's why sobrang, ikaw aakyat ka doon? Dito na lang ako, Catrice. Okay lang. Malamig, may tubig.
Enjoy ka doon, ha? Enjoy ka.
Diba?
So yun nga, just like what Ariana said, na parang she's also trying to like venture out into trail riding, ganyan. So kaya ko rin siya tinry para lang like masabi ko sa sarili ko na may pinaglalaban ako, na I can do it also. So usually when I surround myself with men, parang doon ako mas na-empower na parang nakakapantay ako sa ginagawa nila. So, I love what I do and I love inspiring other women as well.
Yun. Empowerment.
Yeah.
This is what this episode's all about.
I will not speak anymore.
Tapos
That's
na.
very well said. Thank you,
Uy,
Catrice,
hindi.
for covering
Hindi ka
everything.
Hindi ka pwede mag-skip,
Next
sasagot ka.
episode is...
Okay. For me, benefits, this is nung rider lang ako. Okay? I'm a simple rider. Like what Karen mentioned, Iba kasi yung treatment talaga pag babae.
Wow.
Bakit, Jack?
Kasi simple rider ka dati. Ngayon, ano ka na ba ngayon?
Complex rider.
Mamaya.
Complex.
Hindi kasi may complex, dynamic. Di ba? Para ba't kami nagsama-sama
Okay.
dito? Yun nga, may benefits pag babaeng na rider kasi you're surrounded by men na magpa-park. Kaya mo naman mag-park, pero parang ang daming tatakbo sa'yo. Mga 3 or 4 na friends
Tutulong.
mo yan tutulong na parang, okay, thank you. Minsan nga, hindi mo na kailangan magtawag, di ba? And then, another benefit is, pag sumama ka sa community ride or sa club ride, may plano na. Kasi napaplano na ng mga guys yung destination, yung route. So,
Hindi
so
laging
far, yung
ganon.
mga nasasamahan ko na grupo, maalaga sila.
Pangit kasama to.
Ha?
Pangit kasama mo.
So, kahit wala akong Waze, bakit parang napapagalitan ako dito?
Basher si Owen.
Pinagtutulungan, oh my God.
Yung bashers niya nandito sa
yung ano,
podcast.
no? Hindi pa to yung live.
Wala sa comment
Nasa likod pa niya pare.
So, hindi pa pala to yung live. So, anyways. So, yun.
Mag-aaway pa.
Hindi kasi for me, kasi tamad ako minsan mag-Waze. Kasi bakit?
Ah.
Maglo-lowbat yung ano ko, cellphone. Iinit yung cellphone ko. Wala akong wala.
Kayuhan ng power
Yung
bank.
motor mo, walang charger?
Charger, wala.
Wait,
Uy, yung ano
Wala.
Lahat
Yung
ng
CF
USB
Moto
port
ko.
yung motor mo?
Joanne, yung CF Moto ko,
Nandun
USB-C
sa harap.
pa.
Nandun
USB-C.
sa harap.
Iba. I've used her bikes. Alam ko yung iba meron
Karen.
So, walang kawala.
Wala sa
Her
motor
bikes.
yun, nasa rider yun.
Sa
What
rider
matters at the end of the day, you agree with me.
Hindi.
Right? You agree.
Hindi mag-a-agree si Karen.
Natawa na lang
Mukha ba
si Karen.
nag-a-agree si Karen sa'yo?
Diba? So, ang convenient. Life is convenient with,
Yes.
you know, with the clubs, with male riders kasi meron silang quad lock, meron silang
Wala ka rin quad lock? Wala ka rin quad lock?
Meron ka eh. Nakita ko na yung phone mo.
Sponsor ng quadlock.
Kawawa na. Bakit walang quad lock to? Ay, ibang
Oh, and
brand.
it's okay. I also
Ibang
don't have a
brand.
quad lock.
ACCS. ACCS brand.
Correct,
yes.
correct. Oo, iba.
Kaya pala wala siyang quad lock kasi ACCS yung
Correct.
kanya.
So,
Pero parang wala rin nakakabit dun sa phone, no?
wala na akong natapos na
Maurice, don't
thought.
worry. They don't know you
Diba?
yet. So they won't bully you. Si Owen lang eh.
Yes. So, and then on the other side naman, your question was ano, 'di ba, parang
What are the benefits or challenges being a woman
challenges.
leader?
Okay. The challenge for me was when I became GM. Kasi parang
You were not.
Oh my
Ako
God.
sumagot. Kasi alam ko yung sagot.
hindi
You were one of the first
yes.
women
So,
GMs.
okay, ang challenge doon
In
is
the industry.
I have to prove not just to myself, but to the market and the community na I can do it. Yon.
Gusto mo dagdagan ko?
Yon. So,
Joe.
Ano yung dagdag?
sabi na suhugot to eh, huhugot. Mamaya ka.
Hindi, sa podcast kasi, ma-edit pa to eh. Pero sa live stream, wala na.
Doon tayo sa live stream. Hindi na i-edit.
Doon mo na
Pero kung mag-sige,
ilabas yung
Ay,
ano.
dapat.
Hindi pa ako tapos eh.
Ay, sorry.
Oh.
Ay, okay, sorry po.
Joke
Oh,
lang.
go.
Hindi, tsaka ano, nung naging GM ako, I think the first 2 or 3 weeks, ang dami ko naririnig na nagtatanong, sino yung Owen? Sino yung Owen? Kasi hindi naman ako famous like you.
Ala.
Like her. Like her. Like you.
Natuturo na naman
Like
ba?
you. So yon. So simpleng
May hecklers.
simpleng rider lang po ako na member ng Lakwa Chicas, 'di ba? So yun. So yun yung maganda rin for me kasi hindi masyadong kilala and then I got into a role na very parang sought after, I would say.
Yeah.
It has its own
Maraming may gusto
highs and
nun.
lows. It has its own highs and lows. It has its own
Being
pros and
the
cons.
GM of Triumph
Yeah.
is huge.
For someone who is addicted to the brand.
For anyone. I mean, in the
Yeah.
industry, I would think. Oh.
Yeah. Yun.
So that's a massive accomplishment. Oh.
So thank you.
That's what I was gonna say also.
Joanne?
Joan, nagkakape.
Kape pa lang yun, ha?
Ayos ka talaga eh.
Sige. Maris muna, then...
Dulo na po si
Sasabunutan kita.
Dulo na po si Joanne Lu para maganda yung ano.
Tira,
yung
para makalimutan mo na
tabas.
kung anong sasabihin mo dyan eh. Para may gap.
May magandang flow. No, kasi me, I also share that challenge with Owen. Like, who is this Maurice, diba? Like, I don't even ride so often, diba? But at the end of the day, it's all about the business side of, being a GM. It's not all about, I mean, it is also about the community, the the brand, the experience, but more than that, it's really how you run the business at the end of the day. Like, you make sure that there are more Vespas on the road, more Triumphs on the road, diba? And well, another challenge based on what these ladies have shared, I think it's really the biggest challenge for women riders, I think, is overcoming the stereotype. I mean, in a male-dominated space, that it's hard to be successful. I mean, not successful, but like be known in this field. So actually, I'm so inspired by these women. Maybe tomorrow or the next week, I'll enroll na rin. And let's go!
Yun!
Yeah, it's that. And then another I realized is it's harder kasi to find a bike na fit for a woman. Yeah, because of the height. But I feel like now, but I think now like brands are really coming out with more women-friendly motorcycles. So that's what I've been seeing past few years. So good for us women. And at the end of the day, it's women supporting women. So
Amen.
Uy, Maris, yung bobber o kaya CLC, may pagpipilian ka, dalawa.
Oh,
That's
I want
the
the
best,
bobber.
lady riders.
Mag-aaral muna ako. I want the bobber. Ganda ng bobber.
Bukas pa-activate na.
Pahatid
I want
na
the
natin.
bobber.
Okay.
I want the bobber.
Nakabobber po si Joanne kagabi.
Joanne, ikaw na.
Ito na po,
I want
okay.
the bobber.
Everybody quiet, everybody
What
quiet,
you've all
please.
been waiting for.
Quiet on
Ano
the
na ako
set.
sasabihin? Kasi
Diba?
sasabihin ko isang buong episode na last time.
Nagro-roll.
Jeff, zoom in mo.
Paki-cut po lahat nung ha. Bigyan
Pa-zoom
niyo ako
in.
ng copy yung binabatukan ako ni Jo. Lahat po yun. Gusto kong i-post sa social media ko bukas.
Kakasuhan ako ni O.
Oo, kasi
Hindi naman.
may evidence tayo, diba?
I'm so excited for this answer.
Ako rin, actually.
Go!
Wala na ako sasabihin kasi nga isang buong episode na siya. Parang
So,
before.
look back at the previous Tunay na Rider episode
Oo,
with
nandun
Joanne
na
Lu.
sinabi ko na lahat doon. Spinil ko na. 2 years ago. Tapos meron din. The first one, Iba, was shocks 3 years ago.
3 years
Merong
ago.
isa yung wine.
Yep.
Yung dalawa yung wine ko was 3 years ago. Tapos 2 years yung isa.
Sayang walang wine ngayon kasi maging mas exciting eh.
Dala nga siyang tequila, diba, sa baba?
Wala.
Meron.
Guni-guni mo lang yun.
Ayoko nga malaman, sana nga
other
hindi
than
totoo
those
eh.
challenges.
FYI, kape yung iniinom
Ano yung
nito
mga challenges
Kape.
and maybe benefits of being a leader in this male-dominated
Well, aside
industry.
from that, siguro part din ng challenge siguro is because second gen and we used to have this parang really big showroom na before and yung legacy na nilagay ng dad ko sa industry. So yung challenge sa amin ngayon, not just for me, my sister and my brother, siguro yung kailangan naming matuloy yung sinimula ni dad. So yun yung pinagtatalunan namin magkakapatid lagi ngayon. Kasi dahil family business, sobrang sakit sa ulo. So, ayan. Ano pa ba? Benefits, marami. Siguro sa side ko, isa sa benefits, nakapili ako ng bike na gusto ko.
Sa mga...
Yung mga demo bike namin.
Oo.
Anytime, magulat na lang yung dad ko na may inuwi akong motor. Di niya alam.
May inactivate kang bago.
Oy, nagpapaalam ako bago ako mag-activate. Pero
Activate
hindi
siya
niya
na
alam
40.
na
40 bikes.
40 bikes.
Kailan yun?
Tell us about it.
Kailan yun?
Bago mag-FJ Moto.
Oh,
Grabe.
dami.
Nilike ko nga yan eh. Sabi ko, nanlalamang ka na naman eh.
Alam mo?
Baka
kanina women's supporters. Gitera to eh.
Sabi niya, Karen, she
women
said,
supporting
you know,
women.
my head is aching. Huh, of course, your head will ache. You activated 40
Sobrang
units.
humble brag, no? Ang daming benta ngayon, sakit sa ulo.
Parang ayoko na.
Ayoko na, ang hirap ng buhay.
Kaya tayo.
Every time,
Masasaktan tong si
every
Rowena
time we
sa
see each
akin.
other, I'll be like, eto ka na naman.
Rowena.
Ano
You're
pangalan?
gonna lead it again.
Okay.
Ano lang kasi yung Owen,
Di, mahal
para cool
namin na siya
siya.
isa.
Pero totoong pangalan, Rowena.
Rowena.
Rowena. Okay.
Oh my
Final
God.
question. We're running. Wait, Joanne, sorry.
Hindi,
Did you-
go. Okay na.
Okay.
Baka masaktan ko itong nasa
Oo nga eh. Okay, may hugot.
Bago mag-away, sumagot na lang siguro kung sinong gustong sumagot dito sa tanong namin na to. Pero, para sa mga kababaihan out there on their motorcycles, anong may papayo nyo sa kanila? Like, do you have any inspirational message for the lady riders out there?
Who want to be successful either in the sport
Oh,
or
in
the
life.
industry.
Oh,
Diba?
in
Yung sa
life.
sport muna. Para ano.
Okay.
Puro kagatong kanina, di ba?
Sorry. So, for me naman, as long as it makes you happy, as long as wala ka tinatapakang tao, I mean, go, do it.
Kanta yun, girl,
Kasi
kanta.
as long as kaya mong mag-sacrifice ng time, ng pera, ng mga resources for what you're doing, go lang. Buti na lang dito si Triumph para sa akin. So, no, honestly, if you want,
Minsan lang
silang
makalamang.
dalawa.
Ano, minsan lang? Minsan lang
Sa akin
naman.
muna yan,
Basta yun, if you really want to race, if you want to pursue motorsports, kailangan mong mag-sacrifice eh. Kailangan, before you go into it, mag-isip ka muna kung gusto mo talaga siya. Hindi dahil uso lang siya, hindi dahil, kasi gusto ni ganun, mag-ganun kami. Pangit eh, di ba? Go into it dahil gusto mo. Go into racing kasi it makes you feel alive. Go into racing kasi kinokompleto niya yung kulang sa buhay mo.
Grabe, sobrang showbiz.
Showbiz!
Anybody else wanna answer?
Wala nang kasunod yun.
What an answer from the fastest lady rider. Ikaw, Catrice,
Yun na yun.
marami kang follower, Catrice.
Catrice,
Baka may mensahe ka sa ano.
Bakit alam mo meron sa mga followers na yun?
Dahil ikaw yung may pinakamaraming followers.
No, sorry, maraming followers si Catrice because she's a rider. And she's a hardcore rider.
Oo, solid yan.
I just want to qualify, because, I've ridden with her. Nakakahiya talaga kung...
Skill yan.
Ako yung palaging
Alam ko kung saan ka
umaatras
hindi umakyat. Alam ko.
alam mo yun, di ba?
Yun eh, diba?
Alam ko yan.
Kayo na,
empty.
this girl right here is pure skill on
Oo.
her bike.
Ay,
Go,
grabe.
Catrice.
Sample.
Matindi dito. Dito ka mag-sample.
Ano, I feel like, yun sabi rin ni Jack, if gusto nyong gawin nyo lang. Don't listen to mga bashers or yung mga nagda-doubt sa inyo. Kasi syempre, nakakasira siya ng moral. And then, if you're going to start riding also, syempre kailangan mo na mag-training rin pala. Equip yourself. Invest with proper training and proper gear also. So, dapat talaga safety first.
WWR.
Yung WWR gear. So, check out nyo lang yung Instagram and Facebook page nila.
Yun.
Anybody else? Galing ng segue. Yan ang pro. Di ba? Sulit na.
Seamless. Very seamless.
Anybody else?
Rowena po.
Gusto mo yan, di ba?
Oo.
Voluntold na. Okay, ito na yung last.
Advice? Hindi ako prepared. Advice is, if you will be getting a bike, seat test all the bikes.
Triumph na.
Mag-triumph ka.
Ano to? Sales. Gusto mo?
End the show.
Rowena, gusto mo? May sagot ako dyan.
No, sabi
This
ko nga,
episode
sir,
is brought to you
isi-test
by
lahat
Triumph.
ng bike eh.
Yung BMW hindi pa
seriously.
kumikibo.
Test all the bikes kasi sa mga babae to, ako na-feel ko to. May spark kasi pag upo mo sa bike eh. So get that bike that brings you that happiness or spark.
Baka grounded. Pag may...
Ay, grabe.
joke lang.
Nadagdagan yung bashers.
Oh my God! Fred,
Joke
I'm
lang.
gonna be famous.
Ka-birthday ko nga pala to kaya nadagdagan yung
Magka-birthday kami. Totoo yun.
Bashers.
diba? Malas mo kami pa yung kalikod.
King, wag ka nang umasa ha. Pag may event kami. King.
Okay lang, King. Pwede mo ako i-mess.
Hindi ako sasali sa brand
No,
war
pero
nila.
going to what Owen says, I agree. All these bikes are great bikes. No? But when it comes to big bikes, there's love eh. Diba? There's that spark pag nakita mo, uy, ito
Especially
yung
if
bagay
it's
sa
your
akin.
first big bike.
Agree.
Parang first love mo
May
siya.
ibang connection yun,
So
no?
iba rin yung treatment. Pag, di ba pag pupunta ka na sa point na parang gusto mo ng ibenta, papalitan mo ng bagong big bike, parang ang hirap i-let go.
Yes.
Wait lang, Iba, what's your bike?
Ay, sinasabi yan kanina.
Okay.
You know why?
Iba,
Save
harap
the
ka sa
best for
camera.
last. Right, Iba?
Ano?
Save the best for last.
Okay, I'll say
Oh, diba? Hindi niya
I
sinagot?
have a couple of BMWs, Vespa, Ducati, Desert X, 450 MT na CF Moto. Pero, next bike ko Triumph, XE1200. Yan ang ano. Good answer.
Nakalusot.
Safe.
Same answer. Same
Wala
answer.
pero hindi pa nangyayari.
Uy, I just wanna clarify. Women empowerment segment to, diba?
Parang brand
Parang
wars.
brand wars kami.
Hindi to brand wars. We are encouraging you. Ito yun. Mag-encourage namin sa'yo.
Ano yung mga challenges para sa'yo?
Kami yung challenges mo.
Part na, guys,
Bashers,
part ng challenge ni Owen tong dalawang to eh. Ako.
Hindi ko plinano talaga nila na si Jack pupunta dun sa
Okay.
All right. Well, thank you. This is the final Women's Month episode natin.
Last.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hindi,
ito yung last ng March eh.
Kasi every month is a women's month.
All right, so
Happy Women's Month.
Ang
galing ni Buck tonight, on a roll.
Every month is Women's Month. Oh, on that note, guys, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Please follow us on our Spotify, di ba? Sa aming Facebook, follow nyo kami. YouTube.
And, thank you, WWR, Castrol, sa
Barbecue Shack.
World number
number
1
1
tayo. And wala pa yung Barbecue Shack.
Barbecue
Pero
Shack.
nandun na ba sa kabila? Thank you,
Andyan na.
Barbecue
Pang ano
Shack.
yun, pang live.
And all the guys who support 29 Rider.
Oo,
See you
para-
next week.
Ayun.
Bye!
Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.